DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making Halloween treat boxes out of recycled paper towel rolls. Now, you can do this for any holiday, but I'm doing it for Halloween. Now, before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some Halloween treat boxes. Make sure to check out my video on how to make your own wax seal stamps using hot glue and buttons. I'll leave a link in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.